Hello, welcome again to class. It's a good thing to be here. So previously we started with an exponential equation where we had this, and we said previously that we move this. We don't want to solve it once because the video has the potential to be long, and we don't want to be making long videos. So we said previously that we'll be moving usually from the exponential equation to quadratic equation, and then we'll find the roots of the equation, roots of the quadratic equation, and then from the roots of the quadratic we'll now find the values of the variable. Now in this case it was x that is given here, which is example. Now in this case x, the value of the variable. So these are the steps. Now we've done this already in the last video. We'll move from here to here. So we're now essentially on the quadratic equation. Now if you want to look at the last video, so you see how we move from here to this place. So we're going to commence from this place now. Now I want to also say is that if this is now, I want to take this slowly. It's not as if I do not know the factors that may come in, but I want to do it in such a way that any other person will easily understand, any other person watching. So I'm going to take some time to explain this place. But if it happens to be that the video will be long, I'll just stop and then we'll continue from there. So we'll probably move from quadratic equation to find the roots of it. If it's going to be too long to stop, we'll do that twice. So let's go. Now, having this, now we have 5h squared minus 26h plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, what we do is this. The first step is to multiply the coefficient of h squared by this value here. Now, when we multiply them, this is plus 5 times plus 5. There's an invisible plus here. Remember, I've said this previously. So it's going to be plus 5 times plus 5. That will give us what? Plus 25. Now, that's the first step. Now, we'll have this and put it somewhere in our minds. We're not going to write it anywhere in the equation. Now, what we'll now do is to look at this value here, and then this one. Now, this one is assumed to take the place of this one. So, when we bring it out, we'll have minus 26h, or let's leave the h, and then 25 plus 5. Now let's leave the h for some time now, for a while, for some time. Now what are we doing? We'll look for two numbers that when we multiply will give us 25, and when we add or subtract or multiply it will give us 25, or when we add or subtract will give us what? Minus 26. What are those numbers going to be? What are the numbers going to be that when we add or subtract will give us this, and when we multiply will give us this? So let's try this. What are the numbers that will give us? I usually like to start from the multiplication. What are the numbers that like to give us 25? 25 is the same thing as 25 times 1, that will give us 25. And 5 times 5. There's no other thing, no other combination that will give you 25. Just 25 times 1 and 5 times 25. In these two arrangements, we're going to find one that will give us minus 26, not just 26, minus 26 and plus 25. So let's look at the two variants of each. This is going to be 25 times 1. Remember, 1 represents h. We've already done this. This is already sorted out. No, half sorted out. And then 25 times 1. Which one will give us exactly plus 25? Let's say if I put minus here, and I put minus here, and I put plus here, minus, or I put minus 25 times plus 1, and which other variance? Plus 25 and times plus 1. Let's see. So I have minus minus plus minus minus plus plus. Now let's see if it goes 25 and it goes plus 25 minus 26. Let's see. Now, if I have minus times minus, minus times minus will give us plus, okay, is plus, and then minus 25 minus 1. What that means is this: I'm owing $25. You know, I told you previously that minus means owing, while plus means you are paying or you are having. In this case, I'm minus owing. I'm owing $25 and I'm also owing $1. Question number 1. Am I still owing? Yes. So because I'm still owing, I'll have it as minus. So how much am I owing? Owing 25, owing 1. How much am I owing? I'm owing $26. Does it serve this? Yes, it does. So minus times plus. I actually did addition there, sorry. Addition there. But let's do the multiplication. Minus times minus is plus, and then 25 times 1. 25 times 1 is what? 25. So I think the first one we did already has solved the matter. And let's try the others. I think this has solved it. So let's just still try the others so that we'll be sure. Then let's say minus times minus is what? Minus. Okay? Minus. Then 25 times 1. 25. Does it solve this? Does it appeal to this? No, it's already wrong. So any other thing I get here won't solve because it won't even work. Because plus 25 means I have. Plus means have. I have 25. Minus means owing. That means I'm owing $1 and I pay. Plus means paying. I pay 25. Am I still owing? No. But what is left in my hand? I have plus 24. But it's not 24 we're looking for. We're looking for 26. Minus 26. So this will not go. And then minus times plus is going to give us minus. Already it's not minus. Minus 25. It's not going to work. So this won't work. This one won't work. And then plus times plus will give us plus. Okay? Plus 25. Plus. Plus 25 times 1 will give us 25. Now this looks like it's going to work, but let's see the addition. Now if I put addition here, plus times my plus times plus is actually plus, or let's do, sorry please. I have 25 naira and I also have 25. I have $25 and I also have $1. $25 plus $1. What will it give me? It will give me $26. I have $25 and I also got another $1. It gives me plus. But it's not plus we're looking for. We're looking for minus 26. So this one will not work. This one will not work. Actually what worked is this. But then I've not tried the variant 25. Then go with 5. That means I've just already have minus 25 minus 1 to be the likely things we're going to use. But let it not seem as if we didn't try 5. Because 5 times 5 equals 25. Let's try 5 now. Now you do this as a rough somewhere in your book. So let's see the 5. 5 will give us minus 5 times minus 5. Okay, let's do 5 minus 5. And then let's see which will give us. Well, targeting minus 26 and plus 25. That's our target. And then let's see 5. Let's have minus plus minus. Let's see. No. Okay. It should be plus minus. Okay, plus minus. Now minus. Let's start with the times multiplication. Times minus times minus will give us what? Plus, okay? 5 times 5 equals 25, okay? That means it already satisfies this, correct? Then let's see with the plus. Minus plus minus or minus times minus. Let's start with minus times minus. I'm sorry, plus. Now I'm owing $5 and I'm also owing $5. Question, am I still owing? Yes, I'm owing $5 here and I'm also owing $5 here. Am I still owing? Yes. But how much am I owing altogether? I'm owing what? 10. Now, when it comes to 5, the maximum you will get is 10. There's nothing that is going to take it to become, that's going to take it to 26. Here, if we add, here will be minus 5 plus 5. I'm owing $5 and I'm paying $5. Question, am I still owing? No. I'm not owing because I'm owing and then I paid. That means it's going to be 0. So it's not even getting to this place, so this is wrong. It's also wrong. And this is plus. 5 plus 5. I have $5 and I have $5. Am I owing? No, I'm having. So that's plus. How much do I have? I have $10. It's still not up to this, so this is wrong. This is plus minus. I have $5 and I paid or I'm owing $5. If I make my payments, am I still owing? No. But do I have anything? No. It's just like saying 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So this combination of 5s wouldn't even work. What would have worked is anything about 25 and 1. But then what combination of 25 and 1 would have worked is minus 25 and minus 1. That's what would have worked. So in this now, taking time to find out what will work. So we'll know what would happen, what would use in finding the roots. So in come back to this place, we'll see that what will work here will be, we'll replace this with minus 25. So what we'll have is going to be 5h squared minus 25h minus 1. You can put the h if you like, and then this 5 is the plot here. So that is how we'll get this. From here now we will group it into 2h, in which case we'll now find the factors. What is here and is also here. What is here and is also here, we'll bring it out. What is here and is also here, we'll bring it out. From there we'll solve the equation. Now I'm going to end this here because of the length of the video. Just wait a minute and then you get the next. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Watch out for the next video. I will complete more from here to finding the roots of the equation. Thank you so much.